How to cancel friend request in Wire. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire and looking to cancel a friend request, then no problem at all. Simply go ahead and launch open your Wire application on your device and go ahead and find the contact with a pending friend or connection request. Just select the conversation and you will be able to see a cancel request button at the bottom left. Just tap on that to cancel any pending requests that you've made. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the friend request or cancel your request in your Wire application. If you ever want to reconnect with that person in the future, you can always send them a new request. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.